Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk. So we're going to be needing only very few items today. Warm water, shredded coconut, a blender, a strainer, and a container where you want to strain your coconut. What I like to do is to use half a cup of shredded coconut for half a liter of water. So I'm going to be using Vitamix, which is a really good blender. And obviously this is not everybody has a Vitamix at home. So even with the hand blender you can do your coconut milk. It's just not going to be as efficient, but you don't always need the most efficient tools to make it happen. Put it back and start again. We put half a cup of shredded coconut, half a liter of warm water. We don't want to use hot water because we don't want to ruin the blender, and we don't want to use cold water because that is not going to extract the oil out of the shreds. I actually start with adding a little bit. For the beginning it's always good to have less to shred it well, and then putting a bit more, and then it can blend everything together. Check if it's on. Yes, it's on. And you can blend for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can always do something at the same time while you're doing it. Make a coffee or a tea. Or just dance while you're waiting. Now that it's pretty well blended, we just add the rest of the water. Okay, that should be enough. Voila. It smells very good. So then we use the strainer. We pour the milk through the strainer, we squeeze the milk out, like milking a cow, sort of, milking the coconut. What about the leftovers? Empty coconut that we have here. So what do we do now with the shreds which are coming out of the strainer? We can dry it, grind it, put it in a jar. We have this jar here, and we make a cake, or when we make something where the coconut flour is needed. There we have it. It's amazing. Beautiful, creamy. It has a little bit of foam on top. It's very, very nice. So storing this milk, I would suggest using it in the coming 12 hours after making it. From my experience, on the next day, even if you keep it in the fridge, it doesn't have the same flavor. This is what my mother taught me when I was a kid, what to do with the leftover milk which has gone bad. You can always make pancakes. For some reason, pancakes even tasted better with this milk. Just find creative ways how to reuse everything that you think should go to the trash. Maybe it can have a second life. I wish you enjoy this recipe and this milk. So enjoy your coconut milk. I hope it works out. I'm going to make some hot chocolate right now with this coconut milk and maybe share it with the others. I'm sure somebody is going to be up for it. I wish you enjoy your coconut milk as well, and yeah, see you soon. So here's my hot chocolate. I'm gonna find somebody who's maybe interested in having it. Oh wow, here's somebody. Would you like some hot chocolate?
I want to know how to make it.